Assalamu alaikum. This is Sada Future Architect Wali, and today I'm going to review the power of believing that you can improve. It's a TED Talk by Carol Dweck. The talk begins with a simple but revolutionary grading system used in Chicago High School. Not yet. This linguistic shift is the cornerstone of Dweck's research. It transforms failure from a permanent state of being into a temporary stage of a learning curve. In a fixed mindset, a mistake is a judgment. It means you are nothing. In a growth mindset, that same mistake is data. It indicates that the goal hasn't been reached yet, providing a clear path for future effort. One of the most compelling segment of the talk involves the neurological evidence for mindset. Brain scans show that individuals with a fixed mindset often shy away from errors, showing minimal brain activity when a mistake occurs. This focus is on the tyranny of now, the need to look smart at all times. In contrast, those with a growth mindset show intense brain activity when processing an error. Dweck explains that when we step out of our comfort zone to tackle different tasks, neurons in the brain form new and stronger connections. This reframes struggle. It isn't a sign of low intelligence, it's the physical process of becoming smarter. Dweck offers a vital critique of how we encourage others. She argues that praising intelligence or talent actually backfires. It makes people fragile because as soon as they encounter a task they can't do easily, they assume they are no longer smart. The remedy is process praise. By rewarding the strategy, the focus, the perseverance, and the improvement, we build hardy individuals. This shift focuses on the variables we can control rather than the traits we are born with. The most moving portion of the review covers the equality that happens when growth mindsets are applied in systematic ways. Duke cites data from inner city schools and Native American reservations where chronic underperformance was reversed in as little as 1 year. When educators transform the meaning of effort from I am dumb to my neurons are connecting, the achievement gap begins to close. Students who were once at the bottom can outperform those in the most affluent districts because their potential is no longer capped by a fixed label. T-Vex talk is more than an educational theory, it's a call for a cultural shift. By moving away from a culture obsessed with immediate validation and as we can foster a generation that dreams big and persists through difficulty. As she notes, understanding that abilities are capable of growth is not just a psychological insight, it's a basic human right that allows every individual to live in a world filled with yet. In the context of Pakistan, Carol Dweck's research on the growth mindset isn't just a psychological theory, it's a critical framework for addressing deep seated systematic and cultural challenges in education and professional life. In many Pakistani classrooms, the traditional focus remains on rote memorization, pass board exams. It creates a fixed mindset where students believe their intelligence is defined by a percentage on a transcript. TVEX Power of Yet offers a vital alternative, shifting the goal from getting the A to mastering the concept. From Pakistan to compete in the global AI and tech landscape, the educational focus m- must move from reproducing facts to the process of learning, process of failing and iterating. The societal pressure of what will people say often fuels a fear of failure. लोग क्या कहेंगे? This is a tyranny of now that Dweck describes, where a mistake is seen as a permanent stain on one's reputation rather than a necessary step in growth. Adapting a growth mindset means re socializing students and professionals to view not yet as a badge of effort. It encourages risk taking and entrepreneurship and innovation, which are often stifled by the cultural demand for immediate perfection. Pakistan's single national curriculum, it aims to bridge the gap between private schools and public schools and madrasas. DVEX examples from Harlem and Native American reservations prove that a growth mindset can be the ultimate equalizer. When teachers in rural or undeserved areas of Pakistan are trained to praise the process rather than innate talent, they empower students to break the cycle of poverty. The belief that I can get smarter through hard work is a powerful tool for social mobility in a country with significant educational disparities. For the Pakistani workforce, from sales professionals to software engineers, the growth mindset is essential for navigating economic volatility. Recent studies in Pakistan show that teachers with a growth mindset have higher teaching efficacy. They don't give up on difficult students. Instead, they see them as brains in progress. Shifting from a culture of blame to a culture of learning from errors, or you can say the brains on fire with yet can transform Pakistani workplace productivity and employees' well-being. For Pakistan, the power of jet is the bridge between a traditional system of memorization and a future of innovation. It suggests that our youth's potential isn't limited by their current resources, but by their belief in their ability to grow. By rewarding yet, we can move from a generation seeking validation to one seeking mastery. Thank you.